Pamela, and you are on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel, and if you're new to my channel is mostly all about crochet. Well, this morning I'm drinking out of my Destin Florida cup that I just recently received, and it is handcrafted. I love this. Well, today's video is we are announcing the winner to the crochet hook and yarn giveaway. So let me show that to you guys. Let me set my coffee down. Okay, so here's what the winner will receive. A yarn needle, a sticker, some enamel pins, and some light up crochet hooks in this nice red case. And it has a USB cord. And the winner will also receive all of this yarn and all of this yarn minus the baskets. So let's go ahead and see who our winner is. Okay, so our winner is Pamela Hunter 987. She says, wonderful giveaway. I've never used Brava, but I've used and like Premier yarn. Love the light up hooks. I also love the color lipstick you're wearing. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Can you share what brand and color it is? Ooh, I'll have to look that up. I have to go back and watch the video and see what I'm wearing. And yes, I can do that. So Pamela, you have 1 week to get back with me. Send me an email at psbarton99@sbcglobal.net. And I will give you a special word, and you can go in and edit this comment off of that yarn and hook video where you left this comment. And I will have you to put in a special word. And if you're not sure how to edit your comment, I do have a link. I do have a video that shows how to edit your comments. So everyone, please tell her congratulations and thank you, Pamela, for entering my giveaway, and thank you, all of you, for entering my giveaway. So stay tuned for another one for next week. All right, guys, just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.